I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I'm just going to show you a quick little demonstration on our training deck. Getting a lot of questions about getting in between boards on the deck and when it's stained. If the stripper doesn't get it off, hopefully the stripper would get it off, but how do you get in between the boards? And I've seen people talk about using a scraper, using a saw blade, even a multi-tool or a Dremel. They're a little hard to get in between the boards. There are attachments. You could turn an Osborne brush sideways and just try to get in there, but that could damage your deck, especially if it's soft woods. So one of the things you could do is there's other attachments, and you could use a cordless drill. And there's all kinds of attachments you can get that'll go actually in between the boards really well, which I'll show you. But you can use your compact or impact drill. I'll show that, or the a corded drill is better because it just keeps the power going. Let me show you why. Let's have at it here. Okay, and my glasses will act as my safety glasses. Okay, so we can go here, but you see how it stops sometimes? It doesn't have that pop to it, but a corded drill makes short work of it. You can see how you can get down in between the boards. So a corded drill with the right attachment, it's all about having the right tools when you're doing exterior wood restoration. There's no magic stripper that strips off all the stain that gets in between the boards or anything like that. Sometimes you actually have to do work. Sometimes it's going to be some sanding, but sometimes it's just having the right tools. So check out Osborne brushes, look at all the attachments you can get for your drills. Like I said, a corded drill and a generator is always great. I always recommend using a generator on a job. You don't want to blow somebody's electric. They also feel better when you don't blow somebody's breaker. You never have to worry about if somebody's home, a GFI that doesn't work, anything that happens, you're always got your generator and it's more professional. So pop in your corded drill and your generator, have at it. You'll be able to get in between the boards if that's actually an issue on the deck you're working on. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you.